This is going to be a little messy. I already opened this one. That's how much I lost. And what I'm having a problem with this kefir water is finding the right time to burp the bottles, because this is getting a little dangerous. Just pull my camera up a little bit. I'm almost afraid to open this. Here goes. Here it comes. The pressure really wants to push this cap off. Oh. Okay, let me get another one. I tried to burp it at 12 hours after I bottled it. There was absolutely no fermentation whatsoever. Not even a little squirt. Now this is 24 hours later. Scared the shit out of me. Smells like beer. These were pineapple banana kefir water. What a mess. Got one more. This one was a little short fill. Here we go. So that's how it's been with the kefir water. I just can't find that sweet spot in there to burp them properly. And I know you ain't supposed to have this much carbonation built up. Is it safe to put them in the refrigerator to stop the carbonation when there's this much in there? These are some of my questions. So now, let me put this towel in the laundry and upload this video, and hopefully, and get the gurus to help me out on this.